Welcome to Kaikuhini channel, and today we're gonna make chicken fried rice, and these are the ingredients. This yummy recipe only takes 15 minutes to complete. Let's cooking! Don't worry, you may always substitute the bird eye chili in this recipe with chili powder or even paprika powder. You may use 1 or 2 tablespoons of chili or paprika powder. It's gonna taste really good and yummy. Trust me. Don't forget to chop spring onion and celery leaves finely but separately. Be careful. After that, put everything aside and let's prepare our next ingredients. In case you didn't have mortar and pestle, you may always use food processor or even food chopper. Now, it smells so good and flavorful. I just can't wait to start cooking our chicken fried rice. Alright, now our chili paste almost done. A little bit more pounding. Please be extra careful while grinding up the fresh chilies and mind your fingers. And now at last we're almost done and we can start heating up the frying pan. Oh my, look at this beautiful fiery chili paste. Let the cooking oil come to a low sizzle. And when it starts to sizzle, add the rest of the chili paste and lower the heat to medium. Okie dokie. Now, we need to keep stirring nicely, evenly and slowly so that the chili paste cooks very well. And look at that, what a nice caramelized onion and garlic. Saute the mixture again to combine all ingredients. Our chili paste are almost ready. And now is the time for us to prepare our diced chicken to combine in the mixture. We need to keep stirring until all the diced chicken well coated. It smells so good. We must make sure all the diced chickens turn into slightly golden brown. Keep stirring evenly. Please don't forget to season our diced chicken with a pinch of salt, or you can also add on white pepper. And now, this is my most favorite part of this recipe. It is time for us to add 2 fresh eggs in the middle of the mixture. Please don't forget to add on our freshly chopped spring onions too. We can mix it all together now. We are so close to complete our mission today. Now is it crucial for us to add on our main ingredient, that is leftover rice. We must keep stirring gently until all the leftover cooked rice are evenly coated with the previous ingredients. We need to be patient for a while and continue cooking the fried rice for another 2 minutes. Keep stirring. You see, it's actually so easy to to make chicken fried rice from scratch, right? As we are almost done, now we can start to prepare our rice bowl and plate for our special chicken fried rice. Pat it nicely inside the rice bowl. Ooh, yum yum yum! The fried rice is delicate inside and aromatic outside. This is the texture that what I perceive as a good fried rice supposed to be. Alright then, let's dig in. Let us sprinkle some of the celery leaf and serve. Don't forget to try this yummy chicken fried rice recipe at home. Thank you for watching my video, and I will be sharing more quick and easy improvised recipe next time. Stay tuned.